What's up guys, my name is Brendan and today I will be teaching the inward 360 dive roll. There are no prerequisites for this trick, but I think it's really important that you feel comfortable supporting your weight on your arms. So if you can do a handstand, if you can do a cartwheel, if you feel comfortable on your arms upside down, then you're ready to learn the inward 360 dive roll. First, I want to give you guys a walkthrough of the technique behind an inward 360 dive roll. I twist to my left, so I'm going to start the inward 360 dive roll with my right leg in front and my left leg in back, with my chest facing forward. If you twist to your right, just reverse everything. Kick the left leg vertically in front of you, and as you do this, spot the ground over your left shoulder and reach your arms out to the ground as well. Finally, right before you leave the ground, try and push off your right leg to give you a little bit of twist. Once your hands touch the ground, you should be in a handstand position with your body weight leaning forward. From there, we're going to turn to our left as we collapse our right arm. When you start the collapse, you should be transferring your weight onto your right palm. From there, you're going to bend your arm and let your weight travel onto your forearm, then up to your shoulder, and then finally onto your back. You're going to be twisting and collapsing that arm as you roll, so make sure you keep it strong and stable the entire time. Finally, roll forward onto your feet or in the kneeling position for which we began. Your inward 360 dive roll should turn you about 90 degrees from where you started. That's all I have for the technique, but keep in mind that the inward 360 dive roll can be a super fun combo tool if you can flow into it smoothly. Now, it's easier to learn from that kneeling position, but there's no reason why you can't start and end your inward 360 dive roll from a front side stance. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is such a fun move. I cannot wait for you to learn it. A huge thank you to all the patrons who have been supporting the Mastering series. It means the world to me that you guys are donating towards everybody getting these tutorials for free, for no charge whatsoever. Thank you guys so much. If you guys are interested in ordering any of the ice collection, use the promo code MASTER to save 10%. You guys are out there learning, you're out there training, and it means the world to me that you give a crap about this sport. So please, if you're interested in getting any of the clothing, check that out. Use promo code MASTER, save yourself a little bit of money. Thank you again to the patrons, and guys, have a lovely day.